So here I've got a Slimline Pro cordless trimmer. The blade is broken, so I've decided to change it. I've ordered one of these. It's a standard blade for the D8. It's called a replacement blade for any of the Andis model, D7 or D8. It's currently the machine I've got. If you look at this, you notice it's got some crooked teeth. It fell down and most of this broke up. I'm going to replacing this with this. So this is the original one, branded, and this is the replacement one. Thanks for watching.